In today's video, I'll be showing you how to produce 2 products out of 1. You can decide which one to produce and start selling. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iklima. I am your skincare expert. I produce a lot of skincare products in this channel, ranging from soaps, creams, lotions, serums, toners, and lots more. My goal is to help you achieve flawless, healthy looking skin. Even if you cannot afford expensive skincare training, my channel will equip you. And I always advise, if you're going into skincare formulation business, always train, like find a good skincare enthusiast and train. It is very, very important because we cannot bring everything here. Talking of which, we are currently undergoing a skincare training at 50% discount price. This is your one-time opportunity for you to learn effective skincare product with just 50,000 naira. Everything you need to know about skincare formulations, how to formulate effective skincare products, soaps, creams, lotions, serums, face creams, toners, you name it, are or will be on that training. So there is link in my description box where you will chat me directly on WhatsApp. So I've been just formulating without telling you what we are doing. That is my distilled water right there that I measured. All the measurement will be on the screen, so you're welcome. So apart from the distilled water, that is the glycerin I measured also for hydration, and this is my niacinamide powder. Very, very important for cleaning dark spots, for closing large pores, for hydrating your skin, those of us that are suffering from dry skin, and for smoothing and anti-aging. Like, it's a very, very powerful powder. Niacinamide is so good. So we are just melting or dissolving this powder in this liquid. We don't need to double boil this. We just, you see, it dissolves sparingly in water. So this production, I am going to show you a secret, one secret in skincare formulations with this production, because we are formulating one product and then turning it into 2 products. Like, you can decide to leave it the way it is or just turn it into another product. Because we are not double boiling this, make sure you stir very well to make sure all your powder is fully dissolved. Like, fully dissolved. You don't want to leave any undissolved powder in this. So before I put the niacinamide powder, I put lactic acid solution. That's lactic acid right there, because we are making lactic acid toner. I once made a glycolic acid face toner. You can check it out in my playlist. This is lactic acid face toner. This is a very, very mild exfoliating toner that will help with dark spots, large pores, pigmented skin, hyperpigmentation, even pimples and acne. This toner is very good when you're suffering from so uneven skin tone, like, you know what I mean. So this is a very, very good toner. It will smoothing your face, and the niacinamide there will help to brighten your face and, plump it. Like, it's a very, very good toner. So then I put a preservative. I don't even need to put preservative on this because it's a very small batch. And anyways, I put preservative for you to know that you have to preserve it. And then our pH is from 3.5 to that kind of 3.8, which is very good. Your pH should range from 3.5 to 4. Very, very good. So that is all. You can decide to package it and sell it like this. Name it anything you want, like lactic acid tuna, exfoliating tuna, dark spot remover tuna, you name it. Like, you can name it anything you want that you know this tuna will do. Or you can add a little bit of color, any color of your choice, to give it more life and name it anything you want. We are adding pink color, pink food color. You can decide to name it like strawberry hydrating tuna, or pink dark spot remover tuna, anything. So this is the secret I said I will show you. Like, skincare formulation is fun, okay, if you know what you're doing though. Yeah, if you know what you're doing, that's why I advise to always know what you're doing before you start formulating skincare products and start selling for people, because you do not want to damage people's skin all in the name of making money. Yeah, so that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to click on the link in my description box to for the training, or watch some of my videos. Bye.